Wednesday, the 1st of October 2025. Episode 98 2828. Jack's bail hearing is in recess and everyone is wondering what he is planning next. Pele's drinking gets out of hand as he obsesses about Jack Mabuso. Nontal seeks out medical help from Sfei. Kamo clashes with Sfei about Rory. Thursday, the 2nd of October 2025. Episode 99 2829. Jack's bail hearing gets underway. Pele struggles to find Muzi. Kamo and Lulu plan to bunk work at the worst time. Nokwasi encourages Nintendo to blame Pele for everything. Melo confronts Fanyana. Zondive and Nontal bond. All hell breaks loose at the magistrate's court. Friday, the 3rd of October 2025. Episode 100 2830. The court incident sends shockwaves around the city. Nokwasi worries about Nintendo after he witnesses two life-threatening crimes in a couple of weeks. Kamo and Luluma miss everything to grab some personal time and are caught out. Sam is on the spot and takes the chance to shine. The attacker is arrested, but what he has to say stuns the police. Monday, the 6th of October 2025. Episode 101 2831. Jack gets news that upsets everyone around him. Pele is stunned at the turn of events with a revelation by Mafo and Charmaine. Ayanda is gutted to learn what Tao thinks Nontal has done. Kamojalo is stunned at the extreme steps Kia has taken regarding his relationship with Luluma. Melokul goes out of her way to defend Fanyana. Will it have consequences later on? Tuesday, the 7th of October 2025. Episode 102 2832. Pele's world falls apart. Jack is released from hospital but his freedom comes at a price. Melo's hard work and integrity pays off as she lands her dream campaign. Wednesday, the 8th of October 2025. Episode 103 2833. Pele makes bail. Nontal wants to help but Ayanda intervenes. Nintendo tries to do the right thing. We gets a warning from Kumo. Kamo uses Rory to cover up his suspension. Sam hooks a big guest for his podcast. Thursday, the 9th of October 2025. Episode 104 2834. Pele seems to have made a decision and offers Mafo some advice on his future with Melokul. Lucy finds out that the people close to Jack have deserted him. Tragedy visits Sikalo Court. Kia's mortified to learn what Tao thinks Kamo and Lulu's future holds. Melokul celebrates her latest achievement, but will it all end well? Friday, the 10th of October 2025. Episode 105 2835. Everyone deals with the aftermath of the tragedy. Kumo can't help but feel cheated by Pele as he never really got his revenge. Mafo gets a heart-wrenching letter. Lucy checks in on Jack and realizes he needs help. Nintendo is determined to find out who his father is. Monday, the 13th of October 2025. Episode 106 2836. Kumo receives a mysterious letter that he refuses to entertain. Mafo is furious about how everyone has turned their backs on Pele, and Ayanda decides to do the right thing by Pele. Nokwasi continues to guilt Nintendo, but all her friends encourage her to tell Nintendo the truth about his father. Tuesday, the 14th of October 2025. Episode 107 2837. Under pressure, Melo starts taking inappropriate content at a vigil. Everyone is still dealing with their grief, particularly Ayanda. Nontal struggles, and flees to an unexpected source of comfort. Wednesday, the 15th of October 2025. Episode 108 2838. Ayanda reveals Nontal's secret. Things get testy at the memorial service. Jack forces Fikile and Kumo's hand for an Ikonizo interview with V. Nokwasi and Melo battle to be chief mourner. Nintendo gets leads on his father's ID. Thursday, the 16th of October 2025. Episode 109 2839. Jack milks the Ikonizo interview for all it's worth, but doesn't gain sympathy from the people who really matter. Fikile cannot help but be jealous of Lucy. Nontal claims not to be interested in a relationship, but her actions contradict her words. Vailva is not forgiving of Sam and Nontal. Friday the 17th of October 2025. Episode 110 2840. The funeral. Day has arrived but the body is missing. Ayanda resorts to lying instead of cancelling. Kumo is tortured. Is it real or just a spirit? It is a dignified funeral until Mafo starts throwing bombs, making all feel uncomfortable. Monday the 20th of October 2025. Episode 111 2841. Charmaine tries to make Mafo change his mind about his shocking decision. When she fails, she asks Detective Nyati for assistance. Ozanukwazi breaks Entendo's heart when he pushes for the truth. Lucy doesn't like where Jack's head is at for after his recovery. Vailva struggles regulating her feelings over Sam and Nontal, who's shocked at an unexpected arrival. Tuesday the 21st of October 2025. Episode 112 2842. Nontal is confronted about the pregnancy. Jack surprises Lucy with a thank you gift she didn't expect or ask for. Mafo's obsession with Jack goes to a new level. Entendo demands to see his father's grave. Ayanda is burned out. Wednesday the 22nd of October 2025. Episode 113 2843. Nontal finds herself being pursued romantically. Fikile misses Jack and finds her way back into his arms. Mafo gets surprising news about an inheritance. The truth about Entendo's father finally comes out. Thursday the 23rd of October 2025. Episode 114 2844. Entendo finds out the truth about his father and can't stick around anymore. Lucy discovers someone in Jack's bed. Timothy McAvoy causes chaos and drama for Nontal and Sam. Kia pushes Kumo to try therapy, but it doesn't work out the way she hoped. Kumo gets a disturbing surprise. Friday the 24th of October 2025. Episode 115 2845. Nontal uses Sam to make Timothy jealous and regrets it. Nokwazi flounders after Entendo abandons her. Lucy and Fikile vie for Jack's attention. Kumo experiences another disturbing incident. Melo takes cleansing the flat into her own hands. Mafo doesn't want to let his friend's spirit go. Monday the 27th of October 2025. Episode 116 2846. Kia is worried about Kumo as the strange incidents continue. Even more so when he reveals the secret delivery he received and what it means. Mafo is convinced there's a hidden message in the note Pele left. Nokwazi tries to strong-arm the police into bringing Entendo home. Tuesday the 28th of October 2025. Episode 117 2847. Nontal has a scare and makes a decision about her future. Kumo goes to Gogzanele for answers, but what she tells him leaves Kumo shaken. Mafo makes a vow about the future. Melokul isn't happy as strange things keep happening at the flat. Sfei is overprotective of Rory and it's getting to the girl. Wednesday the 29th of October 2025. Episode 118 2848. Kumo gets an unexpected visitor. McAvoy warns Sam about Nontal, revealing more of her past. Kia takes Faye on about being overprotective of Rory. Lucy tries to convince Faye to give Jack another chance. Thursday the 30th of October 2025. Episode 119 2849. Kumo is forced to confess to a murder, tries to escape but is recaptured. Sam struggles to deal with what McAvoy told him about Nontal. Esveni and Triple M get locked down. Friday the 31st of October 2025. Episode 120 2850. The crisis at Esveni goes public. Ayanda comforts a terrified Melo, while their families and friends try desperately to get inside. Kumo faces a much-changed Nozifo, who has nothing but revenge in mind. The love triangle between Sam, Vi and Nontal leads to devastating consequences. Premiere episodes of Generations, The Legacy air on SABC1 from Mondays to Fridays at 20h00.